to take up exercise 13.2, so a volume of solids. Okay, so a solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is also equal to the radius, that is 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So very simple question, children. So again, this kind of structure, you have a simple hemisphere, on top of that cone, both of them having same diameters or radius, which is given as 1. The height of the cone has also been told as same as radius, means 1 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of this solid. तो क्या क्या आ रहा है इस solid में? We have this hemisphere as well as the cone. So volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Formula you all must have revised. Hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So radius दोनों का same है. So pi r square can be taken common. Rather both of them have a 3 also. So pi by 3 r square common. So you're left with 2 and 1 r will remain. So 2 r from here and h from here remains. Put the values r and h both for 1 1 each. So put that value. It is getting cancelled all to give the answer as pi centimeter cube. It was said give the answer in terms of pi only. Now the next question, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model which is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends with a sheet. Then the diameter of the model is 3, its total length is 12, cone each has height 2. Then you have to find the air contained in this model. So the model will be of somewhat of this shape. Okay, so in this model what are we observing here is, okay, so that is this total length was 12, cone's height is 2, so a 2 this here, this side, and a 2 this side. So 2 plus 2, 4 subtracted from 12, so left over 8 will be height of the cylindrical portion. Okay, and then the diameter for both cylinder as well as the 2 cones is 3 each. So अब इसमें volume of air inside would be whatever volume this cylinder and these cones can hold. So volume of the air inside will be volume of the cylindrical portion plus volume of 2 cones. So the formulas pi r square h and 2 times cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Again pi r square is common in both. दोनों का h तो different है but r same था, तो that we have taken common. Pi is 22/7. Diameter was 3, so r becomes 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 square था. Then इसका h 8 निकाला अभी हमने calculate किया है minus करके, and इसका 8 was of the cone was 2, and this is 2 cones, so 2 by 3. Okay, so simple concept है, only calculation counts out here, which you will do on your own. Don't just copy calculations. Okay, so cancelling, at the most 2 is getting cancelled here. Left over 3 3s are 9, 11s are 99, 7 2s are 14 remains here. Then taking LCM, 3 8s are 24, plus 2 2s are 4 हो जाएगा, that is 28/3. Cancel it out, you're getting your volume as 66 centimeter cube. Now the third one. So the third one is saying that you have a gulab jamun which contains syrup up to 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be required for 45 such gulab jamuns, and shape of the gulab jamun is cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends. Length total is 5 and diameter is 2.8. So something like this is the shape of gulab jamun. 5 centimeter total length, diameter of hemisphere as well as the cylindrical portion. So from if the diameter is 2.8, radius of the hemispherical portions would be of 1.4 each. So 1.4 plus 1.4, that is 2.8. 5 से आप subtract करोगे, 5 minus 2.8 gives you 2.2. और the other way around, 2.2 plus 1.4 plus 1.4 on either side निकल जाएगा radius. Okay, so height of cylinder हमारा 2.2 आ गया, total 5. Okay, so again the volume, if you want to find volume of this gulab jamun, volume of one gulab jamun will have cylinder in between and 2 hemispheres, cylinder and 2 hemispheres. Put the values again. Pi and r square can be taken common, so pi 22/7, r for both of them is 1.4 each, so 1.4 into 1.4 r square. इसका h हमने निकाला था 2.2, 2 2s are 4/3 remains from here, and only one radius remains here, which was 1.4. taking your LCM, cancelling whatever you can. यहाँ पे हमने LCM लिया है. Work it out and you get volume of 1 gulab jamun as, I haven't shown the multiplication here because that wasn't my final answer. If you multiply these two, you're getting 75.152. Okay. Now, हमको गुलाब जामुन की वॉल्यूम क्यों निकाली थी हमने? Because our question was syrup, which was 30% of the volume of gulab jamun. So, the volume of sugar syrup now required for 1 gulab jamun would be 30%, 30 upon 100 of the volume of gulab jamun. Gulab jamun's volume was coming out as this much. Again, multiply the two, you get volume of syrup for 1 gulab jamun as this bit. Okay, then we had 45 such gulab jamun, so multiply it further by 45. Multiplying by 45, this is the total volume of the syrup required. Okay children, you could have interchanged this also. हो सकता है आप पहले निकाल लेते. Volume of 1 gulab jamun is this much, so volume of 45 gulab jamuns is 45 into this much, and then 30% of that volume. तो उसको other way round भी किया जा सकता था. Okay, anyway, so sooner or later you have to multiply the volume of 1 gulab jamun with 45 as well as with 30%. So either do this first or this first. This was more convenient because इसमें थोड़ी cancelling होगी. Calculation would be greater if you would have straight away multiplied. Okay, so that way. Next, fourth one, pen stand, which is made up of wood in the shape of a cuboid, has 4 conical depressions. Okay, we've done that in surface area also, depressions banana and all. Okay, the dimensions of the cuboid are this by this by this, length, breadth, height. Okay, the radius of each depression 0.5 of the conical part, that means, and its depth is same as height of the cone. Okay, उल्टा रखोगे तो उसे आप depth बोलोगे. Okay, then you have to find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So इस स्टैंड में कितना वुड है? तो क्यूबॉइड का जितना वॉल्यूम था उसमें से आपने कोन्स हटा दिए हैं. ओके, नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू वॉल्यूम चिल्ड्रन, देन यू हैव टू रिमूव द वॉल्यूम, क्योंकि लेफ्ट ओवर यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं है ना, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, सो यू हैव टू रिमूव दोज कोन्स. सर्फेस एरिया में ऐड होता है, बी केयरफुल. ओके, तो सर्फेस, क्योंकि सर्फेस एरिया में हमें जो जो विजिबल होता है, तो ये विजिबल होता है हमें कोनिकल CSA, तो वहाँ हम ऐड करते हैं, बट वॉल्यूम में आप माइनस करोगे क्योंकि वो आपने हटा दिया है. यू हैव रिमूव द मटीरियल फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, so that is one thing in which students get confused. Otherwise the problem is easy. You just have to consider this. So volume of the wood in the stand would be volume of cuboid, तो था ही, उसमें से आपने कोन्स हटा दिए हैं, so you will minus the volume of 4 cones. Okay, so volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. I have skipped writing the formula, you better do that. Okay, length into breadth into height, these were the dimensions given. And for volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This was its height mentioned, radius was 0.5. Everything was given to you. It's all about calculations. Work it out, do your calculations, multiply this. Okay, and here also likewise combination अपने हिसाब से देख लो. 5 4 20 कर लो पहले, so that becomes 2 only. 2 into 22, that becomes 44, and from here 5 2 becomes 10.1 because there were 2 decimal places, so 4.4 upon 3 was left in the denominator. 7 cancel हो जा रहा था. Divided by 3, subtract it and get your answer. Okay, so all questions are easy. You just have to sit and visualize a little bit, know your formulas and your calculations.